how to remove bank info from Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your linked bank account from Robinhood in just few easy steps. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see this home page, and here on the bottom right corner you can see this person icon. Click on it and you'll see different accounts menu. After that, click on transfers, or you can also click on search bar and type in transfers here. Now next step is to find out the bank you want to remove and tap on it. Then tap remove or unlink. Confirm it if you are sure, and that's it. This is how you can remove bank info from Robinhood account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.